Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I discuss 12.39. Find the real power absorbed by the load 12.58. That is YY balanced connection. Firstly, to see the roadmap to calculate the math. Balanced YY connection. Firstly, calculate I1, I2, I3 using mesh analysis. I1, I2 and I3 using mesh analysis. Secondly, calculate line current IA, IB and IC. IA equal to I1, IB equal to I2 minus I1 and IC equal to minus I2. Thirdly, calculate complex power absorbed by the load. SA equal to IA square ZA, SB equal to IB square ZB and SC equal IC square ZC. Total complex power SL equal SA plus SB plus SC equal A plus JB. Real power A and B is conjugate power. Now calculate this math. Chapter 12, 3-phase circuit, problem 12.39. This is YY connection, mesh 1 and mesh 2. Solution. Firstly, we use mesh analysis to find the required current for mesh 1. See plus and minus. Plus 100 minus 30 degree minus 190 degree plus 4 plus 2j I1 36 plus j28 I1 36 plus 2j I2 minus I1 plus 4 plus 2j I1 minus I2. This is for mesh 1. Easily calculate 80 plus 60j I1 minus 40 plus 30j 40 plus 30j I2 equal 173.20 120. Equation number 1. For mesh 2, for mesh 2, for mesh 2, we see 100 minus 150 degree minus 100 minus 30 degree plus 4 plus 2j I2 minus I1 plus 36 plus 2j I2 minus I1 and 36 plus 2j I2 plus 4 plus j2 I2. So easily calculated minus 40 plus j30 I1 plus 80 plus 60 j I2 equal to 173.20. Using mesh analysis to see using mesh analysis, and this is equation 2. Now we calculate del 1 and del 2. Equation 1 and equation 2 form a matrix equation that determine R del. To say we use Cramer rule to solve del 1 and del 2. Del equal I1 value and I2 value. Easily calculate 80 plus j60, 80 plus 60 into minus that into. That is 7500 7.73.73 angle. That is del 1 value. Secondly, del 1. Del value is and I2 value. Del 1 replaced del value. Easily calculate del 1 equal 15130.90 126 angle using Cramer law. Thirdly, del 2 equal del 1 I1 value and del value. That is, easily calculate del 2 equal 15980.7366.89. That is del 2 value. I1 equal del 1 by del, I2 equal del 2 by del 1 value and del value. Del 1 by del equal 2.017, angle of 52.27. Del 2 equal del 2 by del 1, del 2 value and del 1 value divided by, to easily calculate 2 angle of minus 6.84 degree. Sorry, line current IA equal to I1 value is, and IV equal to I2 minus I1, I2 value and I1 value replaced. Easily calculate IV value is 1.983 minus 67.71 degree angle. IC equal to minus I2 minus and I2 value 2 angle of 178.76 value. We see the figure, that is line current IA and that is line current IB and that is line current IC. IA equal to I1, IV equal I2 minus I1, IC equal to minus I2. Here ZA equal to 36 plus Z 28 ohm. ZA equal 36 plus ZA, ZV and ZC. ZA value, ZB value and ZC value. To easily calculate now complex power absorbed by the load. Phase A, SA equal to IA square ZA, IA value 2.017 square and ZA value 36 plus Z28. That is calculated easily by using calculator. 146.45 plus 113.91Z. That is rectangular form. Secondly, we see phase B. Phase B, complex power absorbed by the load SB equal to IB square ZB. IB value 1.983 and ZB value easily calculate 14156 and that. Phase C, SC equal to IC square into ZC. IC value is 2. Here I see that I use I1 value, that value IA, that value IB, IA, IB and IC. Not use angle. Use 2.0.17 IA and IB 1.983 and IC use 2. So phase 3 SC equal to IC square into ZC, IC value and ZC value. Total complex power absorbed by the load SL equal to SA plus SB plus SC, SA value and SB value and SC value. Total power absorbed by the load 432.01 plus 336.01 VA. So single value, we use single value. SL equal to 432 plus 336 JVA. SL, we know SL equal to A plus IJ. There A equal to real power and V is conjugate power. Real power is 432 and conjugate power is 336 watt. So I see that the result this book for 12.39 and this answer sheet 12.39 432 watt. That is real power, not calculate conjugate power. So if calculate conjugate power to see this result, that is real power 432 watt. Thank you.